Welcome back. I'm Akashinath Panchal, Senior Business Consultant with BadaBusiness.com, Founder President Lok Sevak, Postgraduate in Industrial Economics from Pune University. Today we'll be discuss about the LTM, that is Lifetime Membership of Bada Business, what it contained and how it will be help for the businessmen and who can enroll for that. Though it is a vast subject, but I will divide it into 5 components. The first will be BCP, that is Business Coaching Program. It contained around 365 videos, lectures, which will clear your all the business fundamentals and principles. Second, you will have access to personal business course, Monday to Saturday morning 9 to 7 p.m. for you to help your all the queries about business and other programs. Third, you will have the lifetime access to all the specialized courses, that is problem solving courses. Around we have 80 plus specialized courses on different matters like HR, marketing, finance, business automation, digital marketing, English for businessman. Means it covers all the specialized videos with real time 80 plus multi-billionaires. Third, you will have access to Aladdin Ka Chirag, that is it contained ready-made templates which are required for to run the business and all the documents which are required to run the business. It is a ready-made library for you to use all the documents, and it is accessible for the lifetime. Fourth, you will have a live session with Dr. Vivek Bindra to have a personal discussion, and you can raise your personal questions and get an answer in the live by Dr. Vivek Bindra. Fifth, you will have access to every month subject matters lectures on Bada Business app, so you will get all the queries cleared on that same time only.